Nextimage. Batch mode. For batch mode, choose auto size to cope with the different size documents. Choose a resolution and an image type. Make sure to choose a local folder to store the images, and make sure the file name has numbers at the end. It is important to set up rename in the settings for when the file name already exists, to allow the smooth flow of the batch mode. Highlight batch, and then start the scan. Each time the scanner detects a new document, it will save the current image, if necessary, and then scan the new one, giving the new image a new name by increasing the last digit. You can check the scanned images by opening the folder.